Okay, back to this 2017 Honda that I found the contaminated refrigerant. I got a little more story on this. Okay, yes, definitely aftermarket condenser replaced by a body shop. Of course, their insurance company says give us an aftermarket. It leaked. This just came from the dealer. It's a lady who owned this. She took it to the dealer, and the dealer said, we will replace your bad leaking aftermarket condenser for $1,000. So for $1,000 at Honda, they could get this replaced. Because she did go to the dealer, and there's a leak. You could see the dark shadow with the oil. Let's see if I could zoom in. Let's see if I can focus. Focus, come on, focus. 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 So that right there's the leak there. That's also the tube that the filter dryer sock is inside of. And you have the opening at the bottom where you can have that big Allen wrench socket to take the sock out. Those leak there sometimes. But this is where I found the leak. It lasted less than a year, only a couple months. It was last year they did it, and she didn't use the AC in the winter time. Went to go use it. It had 20 psi when I got to it. Actually, it was a little more. It was 20 psi after I hooked up my gauges and removed some refrigerant. But that's it on this one. Honda will replace it for $1,000, or the shop that put in the condenser last year, most likely. And I told them, spend the extra money and buy the OEM, even though these Honda Civics have a problem with their condensers leaking. But sorry, Mr. Aftermarket, you bit the dust. See you guys later. I found it with this. I have UV dye in there. I could not find it with the UV dye. Only this and the oil stain. So it must be one of those leaks that happen while it's driving or at a certain pressure or temperature.